Thank you, Mr. Speaker. So I rise to answer the question, and I thank the Honorable Usamati for that question. And regarding the roads along the Nasinu Nausori corridor, with particular attention to the Wainibuku road leading to Delaidogo. The Wainibuku road has experienced significant deterioration, primarily due to the impact of ongoing works, including soapstone extraction activities in the Delaidogo area. These operations have caused sections of the road to deteriorate. Some have reverted to gravel. Reminds us of what a politician said, I will gravel your Tahsil road, resulting in unsafe and unreliable conditions for motorists and pedestrians. It has indeed deteriorated. We had visited that area and spoken to some of the residents. The road is vital for local communities' daily travel. And I was quite surprised at the increased population in that area from 10 years ago. So the government has prioritized immediate remedial works. I'm pleased to inform the Honourable House that work has already commenced from last Friday and is currently ongoing. This involves stabilizing the road surface, improving drainage, and restoring the structural integrity of the route, because it is also a major route not only for private but also public transport, buses, etc. Quite a number of residents, school children, and various also employees, workers. The Ministry has developed a comprehensive program for road rehabilitation works within the Nasinu Nausori, aimed at addressing long-standing infrastructure challenges and enhancing connectivity. Some of the works planned on the Tawata Road, this is for rehabilitation works. We aim to complete this by the end of January 26, again targeting surface quality and traffic flow. Matani Korwatu Road, Nasinu, by end of Feb 2026. Again, some of the common features, I suppose negative features, are the lack of proper drainage and also surface, inferior surface. So we hope to, we not hope, but we aiming to address these issues as we move forward. Around the Nausori area, Nasele Crescent, Gadwaya Street, Wainibuku Settlement Road, and pavement upgrades and pedestrian access. Vishnu Deo Road for resurfacing and structural enhancement by Feb 26. And you may have seen the notice by FRA on the Railway Bridge approach at the Woody Roundabout. This works is scheduled for completion by end of the month, again aimed at easing congestion and improving traffic. Of course, there are other areas such as Coronivia Road being currently worked on to improve that. And there are also work being carried out on to improve access into the city through Coronivia Nandawa and also from Wainibuku Road to Princess Road. These initiatives are part of government's broader infrastructure development strategy, which seek to deliver resilient and inclusive, sustainable transport. The aim is to not only upgrade but reduce travel time, also enhance road safety, and of course, as you build roads, the need to support socio-economic development. You all know the Wainibuku Road is used by a lot of our farmers in terms of the supply of vegetables to the farm produce to the wider Nakasi urban population. We will continue to engage with stakeholders and communities as we move forward in terms of upgrading our roads. In the FRA budget, we had actually provided a funding of 388 million. This was an increase of 37.2 million from the 2024-2025 financial year, which emphasizes the government's seriousness and commitment to improve our roads as we move forward.